this video, we are going to learn about different career opportunities of Python. Means if you have learned Python and you are expert in it, and you are a skilled programmer, and you want to choose your career on the basis of this programming language, then what are the opportunities that you can explore in your future to use this language? Before moving on to this video, let me clear you that if you want to study about any of the above bullets, then you can also visit our previous videos and it will help you a lot. Okay, if you have chosen a Python as a programming language and you have already learned it, then how can you use it in your career? First of all, you can use it for website development. As we all know that website development is a major profession in the world, that there are many jobs related to the website development that are also available physical as well as online. You can even work as a freelancer by sitting at your home and you can order these projects and you can work on these projects from your home, or you can even join an office of any major organization and you can develop different websites there. So you can choose this language, and if you are expert in Python, then you can use it for this application, and therefore you can also use this important software for Python like Django. Second is also career opportunities related to website, but it is not related to its development. It is related to its analysis. For example, someone has made a website and he wants to check that whether the website is perfect or not, then there are so many checks that should be tested to check the quality of website, and there is for this purpose they will hire an other skilled programmer who will run those checks and will analyze how much efficient is it. Therefore, you can also use Python to test the quality of website, efficiency of website, and you can generate a report at the end, and you can deliver issues, errors, and you can provide its ranking to the relevant client. Third is you can use Python for game development. For example, if you want to develop the game, then you can use it. We know that games development is the major. Game development is a big field that is under use nowadays. A lot of our youth and young generation are using games and they are making a lot of profit in this field. So if you are a Python programmer, then you can also use this language to develop the game as well. Next is you can also use it in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, where Python programmers use it for automation and for training different and for making different algorithms and to make them more efficient. So Python can also be used in this field as well, and it is also one of the biggest fields we have faced in recent years. Therefore, this field is also progressing day by day. Next is big data management, or this is also called data analysis. For example, if we have a lot of data in raw form and we want to manage it, we want to extract some useful information from it, then we can use Python as a programming language. And this is another big field where different parties will hire you and they will give you projects and they will ask you to extract the useful data from a big chunk of files. Next, Python programming language can also be used for smart devices, their development, them making them fast like Android development or any other development of mini devices, and we can use this language. So this slide is for motivation, and you can see these are not short fields or small fields, these are major fields. You can explore your career in any of these fields, and you can use this programming language to develop any of these things. You can hire similar projects from even your home, or you can also start working at physically at any company or any organization to gain some experience. So thank you so much. That was all for your motivation, and hopefully you have learned a lot from it. You can leave your feedback in comments, and if you have any question, then you can also ask it as well. Thank you.